How to make your content more appealing. Hey there, Myron Golden here. Have you ever wondered why some folks' content goes viral, while others barely make a ripple? Well, stick around, because I'm about to share some nuggets of wisdom on why people might be giving your content the cold shoulder, and how to turn that around. Now, before I dive in, let me introduce myself. I've been in the content creation game for a hot minute. Started back when I was a wide-eyed 17-year-old, and now, well, let's just say I've seen a few more seasons since then. But every step of the way, I've been learning, tweaking, and mastering the art of capturing attention. First things first, let's talk about why folks might be ignoring your content. Hate to break it to you, but it's not personal. People aren't tuning in for you, they're tuning in for what you can offer them. So, it's crucial to uncover their motivation. What are they hungry for? What keeps them up at night? Create content that scratches that itch, and you'll have their undivided attention. Now, I get it. You've got stories to tell, passions to share. But here's the thing. Nobody cares about your story unless it helps them solve a problem or achieve a goal. So, shift your focus from me to them. Trust me, it's a game changer. Next up, let's talk about transformation. When you're presenting your content, whether it's a blog post, video, or podcast, don't just talk about features or processes. Paint a vivid picture of the transformation your audience can expect. Show them what life could look like on the other side. That's what gets people excited and engaged. But wait, there's more. You gotta walk the walk. Authenticity is key. Don't just tell people you've got the answers. Show them. Share your journey, your wins, and even your setbacks. When people see that you've been where they are and come out on top, they'll trust you and your message a whole lot more. Now, let's talk imagination. Ever heard the phrase, "A picture is worth 1,000 words"? Well, it's true. Use visuals, metaphors, and stories to engage people's imagination. Help them see the possibilities, the potential, in your message. And when it comes to articulation, practice makes perfect. Whether you're speaking, writing, or creating visuals, hone your craft. Learn from the best, study their techniques, and find your voice. The clearer and more compelling your message, the more people will pay attention. Now, let's dive deeper into the idea of dialing in your sales message. It's not just about describing the benefits of your product or service. It's about making people feel something. What emotions will they experience when they say yes to your offer? Paint that picture for them. Make it irresistible. Last but not least, confirmation. If you say you're gonna do something, do it. Consistency breeds trust. So, deliver on your promises, every time. That's how you build a loyal audience who hangs on your every word. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this content, do well to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Until we meet again on this journey of growth and discovery, keep shining your light and inspiring others to do the same. With gratitude and best wishes, Myron Golden.